answers are going to be found in the Bible. This is where, as I read my Bible, every day I'm learning how to be pleasing to God. And every day I'm learning what God expects from me. Like even Jesus told this young man that came to him and he said, God, you're talking about following the commandments, Jesus. So tell me, what is the most important commandment? And Jesus says, love God with all your heart, your mind, and your soul. And then he says, and there's another commandment just as great as that one. Love your neighbor as yourself. If we want to be pleasing to God, we have to learn to love our neighbors as ourselves. Like the kind of attention I want, the kind of treatment that I want, that's what I got to give out to people. And those are one of those things, like I said, sometimes are easier said than done because it's hard, especially when it's something that you're not used to.